Adab. Good morning, honorable chief guest, respected principal, teachers, and all my friends. My name is Andar Malik Azhar Iqbal. I am in standard second. Today I speak a few lines about Indian Republic Day. Today we are celebrating 26th Republic Day. And first I wish you all very happy Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated 26th January every year on this day. In 1950, India became a republic and our constitution came into effect. It is very important day. It is very important day in the history of India. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is called the father of constitution. We are proud to be an Indian. Thank you. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.